see if this shit keeps up. I wish y'all could see that shit, dog. But like, I guess that doesn't help my theory. These motherfuckers are fucking watching me all the fucking time, and they hate when I'm up and on it. But it don't really matter. That's for a good ass reason, because I'm actually even better than y'all fucking even know, dog. Y'all feel me? I mean, actually better than y'all fucking even know, dog. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Yeah, it's cool. I really wish I had more space, because I'd be doing more. You feel me? But, I'm doing what I can, you know? And it's not like just for everyone. Oh my gosh, no, it's really for God, bro. You know what I mean? That's what life's all about. And like, yeah, if that message gets across, for sure. I hope I could be part of yo coming home party, dog.